Okay, so this is PictoBlox, not the junior one, the main one, and let's see what we can achieve in PictoBlox, which is not possible in junior. So first try whatever is possible in both cases. So whenever I click the flag, then let me move the forever to some finite iteration, which means repeat 10. So let's try repeat 10, not the forever, and then I want to switch costume, wait, and switch costume back. So by this, if I play, he's walking, but is he moving? No, he's not moving because there is no move command here. So move 10 step, move 10 step. 10 step is too much maybe for my mobile screen. It will very quickly go out of the screen and maybe it will repeat from the other side, whatever. So this one, let it be one step, and let me start it from the left side. Okay, now it's working. You can see that Toby walking front. Okay, so after 10 iterations it stopped. So this is what we can achieve even by PictoBlox Junior. Now let's see what extra we can do. So what I want to do here is I want the Toby to speed up or accelerate, which means either it will move. Now it's moving one step, and maybe in the next step it will move 2 step, then 3 step, 4 step. So after every 0.25 second, it is always moving one step after every 0.25 second. Now I want it to increase. I want after first 2.25 second it will be one step, then second it will be 2 step, like that. So I hope you understood what is the meaning of acceleration. So the same thing I have to achieve. So how it is possible? If it is hard coded 0.25 and 0.1, it is not possible. So we have to make it incremental variable. So in essence we need a variable. So let's go and find out variable. So this is a variable. You don't have this variable concept in PictoBlox Junior for the obvious reason that kids cannot digest it, the smaller kids. Okay, fine. This one I will name it speed accelerate, ACC, accelerate. And then this is a number or string. It's a number, and then it's for all sprite or for this sprite only. So I want only Toby to access this variable. If you can understand the object oriented thing, so it is the local variable to this Toby, I mean any Toby. So this one. Okay, so from Toby only you can see this variable ACC, and you see some new blocks got generated: set, change, show, height, all these things. So now what I will do is set is initializing. So I want to initialize the variable at the very beginning before entering into the loop, and I'm saying okay, set it to, I want first it to go slower and then increase the speed. So let me set it to 1. So the acceleration is 1, and where I can use it, I can wait for 1 second and slowly it will be change by. So change by is by which you can change the speed or reduce the variable value. So acceleration will be changed by 1, then it will be 1 minus 1 0. So in first hit itself it will be 0. I don't want that, so I want it to slowly reduce. So 0.1, 1 minus 0.1, oh sorry, plus. So I want it to be minus so that it will reduce. So 1, then 0.9, 0.8, hope you understand. So this one, and then where I have to use this variable now. So this ACC is the variable. I want it to use in the wait, not in the move. I think that I will feel better. That animation will look better than move. I feel, I don't know, it could be same for both case. Okay, so let me go with the wait. So wait block, in both case it's accelerating. So first iteration it will be waiting for longer time, and second iteration it will be lesser. So now let's go to full screen mode and try to run. 1 second. You see it's showing the variable value also here. That's pretty cool. And okay, it is increasing the speed, and now it's fast. But before you can see the fast moving Toby, my iteration got over. It is supposed to iterate for only 10 times. I want it to be iterate over 20 times. Okay, now let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, so fast. But what happened? It is stuck. It is stuck. -1. So -1, it's going to the negative. And what is the meaning of waiting for -1 second, -1 second? It doesn't have a meaning, right? So we cannot blame PictoBlox app. We have to take care of the variable should not go to negative for this case, because we are using it for a time and which can never go to negative practically. So let's find out how can we achieve or how can we prevent it going to the negative. For that we must come to the condition block and say if something something and then something something. What is that? Let's see. So this if is now what I'm telling is, if accelerator, see it's not fitting. What happened? Because now I cannot directly use the variable. I should use something like this, the operator. So I'm saying if something is less than 0 means negative. What is that something? Now see it's a oval shape. So now accelerator will fit into it. So accelerator is less than 0 means negative. I want to change, I want to reset the value to whatever it was before entering the loop. So that is 1 1 1. Okay, yeah. So now with this small change, let's see how it works. So my expectation is at the very beginning it will start with 1, and then it will go to minus 0.9 0.8 like that to 0, and then it will start over with 1, and then it will keep repeating until the loop finishes. So let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6, come on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fast. Now again it's slow, and again it's slowing down and it's speeding up. So if I draw a curve of x-axis time and y-axis to be speed, then it is speeding up to a level, and then it's dropping, it's speeding down. No, not like that. Speeding up to a level, and then suddenly the speed is falling to 0, and then before it goes to negative, it is again speeding up and then falling down. So speeding up over time, and then at a point it achieves the highest speed 0.1 in my case, and then it immediately drops to the lowest speed. So what is the lowest speed? It is not 0. So okay, let me redraw. Undo. Okay, so it is starting with speed 1, speeding up, and then dropping, then speeding up, and then dropping. Is it correct? Am I able to represent? Because I'm not showing the accelerator in the axis, I'm just showing the final speed. It's the delay is less, means speed is more. So like that. Okay, So I think it is okay, but if you have any comment, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.